Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas, Bicolano vlogger, broadcast journalist from Albay. So breaking news ngayon kasi mga kababayan, ibigay ko na ito sa inyo. In-announce ngayon po ni US President Donald Trump ang kanilang pambubumba airstrikes sa mga nuclear facilities ng Iran. So hindi na umabot sa 2 weeks. 2 days lang po yata. 2 days after na bigyan niya ng deadline to surrender si Iranian Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei. Ngayon, sinagawa na ng Amerika yung airstrike. Yan po yung report ng Jerusalem Post. Trump confirms airstrikes on Iranian nuclear sites. Sabi dito sa balita, in a historic moment, the United States has joined Israel in decisive strikes against Iran's nuclear and terror infrastructure following Israel's bold lead on June 13. This united front sends a powerful message. The free world will not allow the Iranian regime to obtain nuclear weapons. The United States and Israel now stand as one, resolute in the fight against terror, unwavering in the defense of global peace and freedom. Ito yung post mga kababayan ni Donald Trump sa kanyang social media Truth. May sarili siyang social media na tulad ng X or Twitter. Sabi niya, "We have completed our very successful attack on the 3 nuclear sites in Iran, including Fordo, Natanz, and Isfahan. All planes are now outside of Iran airspace. A full payload of bombs was dropped on the primary site, Fordo. All planes are safely on their way home. Congratulations to our great American warriors. There is not another military in the world that could have done this. Now is the time for peace. Thank you for your attention to this matter," sabi po ni Trump. Trump also added that he will give a public address on the White House regarding our very successful military operation in Iran at 10 p.m., adding that this is a historic moment for the United States, Israel, and the world. Sabi niya, Iran must now agree to end this war. Trump expressed hope that the strikes would push the Iranian regime into negotiation and does not currently plan additional U.S. actions inside, sabi po niya. U.S. Air Force B-2 stealth bombers were involved in the strikes, sabi po ng isang U.S. official. At saka retweet pa si Trump sa kanyang social media post, an open source intelligence analyst claiming that Fordo is gone. Additionally, the U.S. reached out to Iran to say that it would not plan regime change efforts. Sabi naman po sa report ng CBS. Then, kinonfirm naman po mga kababayan ng Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps na sa paniwala nila, the strikes were conducted at around 2:30 a.m. in Iran. O ganyan po yung eroplanong ginamit sa pambobomba. So itong B-2 stealth bombers are the only aircraft capable of carrying and deploying the GBU-57A B Massive Ordnance Penetrator or the MOP, commonly nicknamed the mother of all bombs. The 30,000-pound precision-guided bunker-busting bomb designed specifically to destroy hardened and deeply buried targets. It is believed that these bombs are required to fully destroy Iran's nuclear facilities deep underground, lalo na doon sa Fordo. So this is a developing story mga kababayan ngayon, kung saan sinabi po ni Trump na very successful yung sinagawang airstrike sa 3 nuclear sites sa Iran po. O, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging response ng China sa Russia. Yun ang kinatatakutan po. Kasi yung Russia at saka China, kampi po sa Iran. Pakinggan natin yung breaking news from Fox News.
This is a Fox News alert. News from the President of the United States that there has been an attack inside Iran. Just moments ago, President Donald Trump putting out on Truth Social, we have completed our very successful attack on 3 nuclear sites in Iran, including Fordo, Natanz, and Esfahan. All planes are now outside of Iran airspace. Again, this from President Donald Trump. A full payload of bombs was dropped on the primary site, Fordo. All planes are safely on their way home. Congratulations to our great American warriors. There is not another military in the world that could have done this. Now is the time for peace. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Again, that's just seconds ago from President Donald Trump on Truth Social, suggesting that those B-2 bombers that perhaps were on the way may have been behind this. We'll get more details on these 3 sites that the president said has been attacked inside Iran. This comes after days of negotiations to try to get Iran to the negotiating table. The President of the United States saying it would have to be unconditional surrender, saying enrichment would have to stop. We heard from negotiations in Europe that that was not being accepted by the Iranians, that they would not stop enriching uranium. There was a thought that this could go as long as 2 weeks, as the president said he would decide within 2 weeks. However, 2 days is within 2 weeks. And now word from President Donald Trump that these attacks have happened. Again, interesting that 3 sites have been struck by U.S. bombers, and this again will get more information about the exact targets and what bombs were used. We expect that the GBU-57, the bunker buster, the massive penetrator bomb, may have been one of those used. Fordo is a nuclear facility inside Iran that is roughly a half-mile deep underneath a rock mountain-like facility that has been said to be the site of a lot of the enrichment capability. Esfahan, believed to be a storage facility for enriched uranium, and Natanz, another part of the nuclear facilities. They have several throughout Iran. It has been long described as a very difficult and tedious effort to go after these nuclear sites, but the U.S. for the first time launching an attack inside Iran. Again, the President of the United States saying all of the planes are out of Iranian airspace. The bombings do continue by the Israelis inside Iran as this back and forth volley between Israel and Iran has continued for some 2 weeks. We expect to hear more about this operation, not only from the Pentagon, but perhaps from the White House, although the White House this evening has called a lid, as far as meaning no one will talk after that. That may be changing now. Obviously, we have this Truth Social post from President Donald Trump.
Ayan po yung Isfahan nuclear facility. Satellite photo po. Durog na durog, mga kababayan. Ito yung nuclear site na tinarget nung hindi pa nasisira. Fordo facility, nuclear facility. Durog na rin siya ngayon, mga kababayan. Ayan po. Fordo, nuclear facility, Natanz. Ito yung mga tinarget. Isfahan. So, 3, mga kababayan, na nuclear facility. Sabay-sabay ito na binumba ng Amerika ngayon lang po, para alam ninyo kung saan siya based sa map ng Iran, mga kababayan. So ito siya, yung Isfahan nuclear facility. Diyan sa may bundok, mga kababayan. So si Donald Trump maya-maya may live address siya. So naka-standby yung mga major news organization para sa live address ni US President Donald Trump. So abangan po natin, mga kababayan, yung mga reactions ng mga allied countries ng Iran at mismong yung Iran, mga kababayan, with this action ng Amerika. Kasi yung pinangangambahan na baka sumali na rin yung China at saka Russia. Yan ang mga pinangangambahan mga kababayan. Tingnan natin. Pero sabi ng ibang mga analis, palabuan niyang makisali. Kasi pag ganyan, baka World War III na yan, magkakampi-kampihan na po. Yan ang nakakatakot. So we pray na sana after na bombahin ng Amerika yung mga nuclear facilities ng Iran, finally sumurrender na itong si Ali Khamenei para matahimik na po ang Middle East and the rest of the world.